The following video is Rich-Shawmut Partners' preliminary logistics plan for the Martha's Vineyard Regional High School project. Please note, the visuals shown in this video are conceptual and intended for illustrative purposes only. Design elements are preliminary and subject to change as the project continues through the MSBA process. The field shown in the video represents a general sports field and does not reflect finalized striping or specific athletic programming. Additionally, any elements depicted beyond Sanderson Road, including adjacent facilities such as tennis courts, are not part of the MVRHS building project scope. This animation shows how construction will be carefully managed on the Martha's Vineyard Regional High School campus so that students, staff, and families can move through their day safely and with as little disruption as possible. Phase 1. Where you'll see the temporary fencing go up around the initial work area. This simply establishes a secure, separate space for contractors to work. All construction activity stays inside this zone while the rest of the campus remains fully open and operational. Site preparation, clearing, and laydown areas are being established. During this early phase, access points are clearly defined. Contractor vehicles enter from one designated location from Vineyard Haven Edgartown Road and follow a controlled route within the fence limits. During this phase, construction laydown areas are being established, along with the construction of the temporary parking lot to accommodate the lost parking spaces for the new addition building. Phase 2. Start of the new school year. The fenced work area adjusts slightly, opening up the new temporary parking areas along with established bus and parent/student drop-off. But the principle stays the same. The active construction zone stays contained, and all student and staff areas remain outside of it. The school continues to run normally with safe pathways and parking maintained throughout. Material laydown and staging areas are intentionally placed close to the active work, so contractors don't need to move equipment across the campus. This reduces noise, movement, and any chance of interaction with daily school activities. Here you see examples of the traffic flow of students, buses, and parent drop-off areas during the construction of the new addition. During the main building construction, all activities will continue to be separated away from the occupied school campus. Interior renovations will be ongoing while the new addition is underway, carefully coordinated with the school authorities, teachers, and students. As we near the final completion of the new addition, new driveways, parking, and site finishes will start to come to life. As we move into the following phases, the fenced area shifts again to the next portion of the project to accommodate the final interior renovations and the demolition of the existing building. New construction laydown areas are established along with new contractor gates and points of entrance and exits away from the new addition. These transitions are timed to minimize disruption to classes, athletics, and day-to-day routines. At every phase, students and staff have clearly marked predictable routes for walking, parking, and drop-off. These routes are never mixed with construction access. Safety separation is the highest priority. During Phase 2B and the start of the new year, the new parent drop and parking are completed. A temporary bus drop-off loop will be established as we work to complete the new bus area and parking. Toward the end of the animation, you'll see the site begin to open back up as areas are completed. This means fencing comes down in sections, fields and spaces are restored, and circulation patterns start returning to normal. Throughout the entire process, the goal is simple: keep the school safe, keep operations running smoothly, and keep the community fully informed. This approach has been used successfully on many occupied campus projects, and the sequence you're seeing here reflects a careful, thoughtful plan to support a safe and predictable experience for everyone who uses the campus each day.